In this video, I'll show you how to install apps on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Before you can install apps on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone or any other Android phone, you have to be logged in with your Google account in the Play Store app. I have here the Play Store, and open the Play Store. You can search for any app you want. For example, I will search for Waze. This is a really popular app for GPS navigation. And you tap on the app, you see information about it, and then you have the option to install. If you're logged in with your Google account, you can install it as it is. You see the app was downloaded and now it's installing, and I will be able to open it immediately, so I don't have to wait. Now if I want to use the app, I can open the app drawer and search for it. Now this is the Waze app, and I can add it to the home screen. Add to home screen, it is here, and I can open it. I can move it on the home screen, and I can simply open the app and it's ready to use. You have to do some setup or login in some apps. Most of the apps will work with the Google account. This is the best way to install apps from the Google Play Store directly. They will automatically update. The apps are checked, they are scanned, so it's going to be a low chance that you get an app that's going to try to do anything bad to your phone, and they are updated all the time when needed. I hope this helps you install apps on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone easily and also get them updated. Thanks for watching.